Sunday is a picnic day. We laugh and play the sunny way.
Monday is a school day bright. We pack our bag and feel just right.
Tuesday is for drawing fun, with colors bright for everyone. Wednesday is a dance delight. We twist and turn with pure delight. Above us. Thursday is for reading time, books and stories oh so fine. Friday is our sports day cheer. Run and jump, we all shout, here! Saturday is cleaning day. Tidy up, then off to play. Let's sing the days, come on, hooray! Fun and learning every day. Fun and learning, la 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 la. Let's sing the days, come on, hooray! Fun and learning every day.